Well, this Audi's had some health checks at Dynodaze and a few parts from TPS, so he qualifies for a free power run. And what better way to see if your car's healthy than to stick up the dyno? So visually it looks alright now we've changed a few parts, but this will certainly tell us whether we've got to look for other problems. So here we go, just getting it warmed up. Okay, well there she is. She's made 288 brake horsepower on the dyno and 287 foot-pound of torque. Hello.